Hi friends, welcome to CI Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to understand about the difference between cash flow statement and funds flow statement. Why we prepare, what is the use in preparing the cash flow statement and what is the use in preparing funds flow statement. So first of all, let us understand what exactly is the cash flow statement and what exactly is the funds flow statement. Coming to funds flow statement, it is a statement prepared where we try to understand the movements in the liabilities and assets. Whatever the movements, the changes takes place in the assets and liabilities in the given period of a firm. So it shows the changes made, whatever taken place, the differences between assets and liabilities. And coming to the cash flow, it will be showing what are the changes happened in the current asset, the cash and cash equivalents. So in the again of a organization within the given period, whatever is the specified. Then on the basis of concept, here we have to see the funds flow is wider concept. But in case of cash flow, it is a narrower concept because it will be only concentrating on the cash. Here it will be focusing on the concept of working capital. Then when we take the basis, it is prepared on accrual basis. So accrual here is sometimes what happens, we receive the money. That is, we have to receive the money, but we didn't receive. We are yet to receive the money. That is due. It is, for example, we have to receive the rent on the 10th date. Today is 12th. We didn't receive it. That is accrual. But we can consider that because it is already due. That is we are going to receive that money. And coming to cash flow statement, it is cash basis. So cash basis is whatever is received, whatever is paid. Only we will consider. We are not going to consider the accrual basis. So this is the difference between accrual and cash basis. Then coming to the uses, in funds flow statement, it is planning as per long-term financing. That means whatever requirement are there, financial requirement, we will check for the long period. In case of cash flow statement, we will be only focusing on the short term. So cash planning will be done for the short term. In case of funds flow, it will be done for the long-term planning. Then coming to the basis of improvement. So basis of improvement, you can see that it may not be improving the cash position of a firm in case of fund flow statement. But in case of cash flow statement, there will be change in the working capital. When the cash position changes, that is increased, there will be change in the working capital. Working capital will also shows improvement. Then coming to the schedule of changes in working capital. So which is very important we prepare in case of funds flow statement. It is necessary to prepare under funds flow statement, whereas we don't require to prepare this statement for the cash flow when we are doing the cash flow analysis. Then funds flow statement will be covering the closing balances and opening balances of the cash. In case of cash flow statement, it will cover the cash and cash equivalent. That is the opening and closing balance of the cash and cash equivalents. In case of funds flow, it will be covering opening and closing balances of cash. The method we prepare is under funds flow statement, we follow the sources and applications. Sources of funds means sources and applications of funds means from where we get the money, that is from where we get the fund, that we have to record under the sources of funds. How we are utilizing that funds, we will show in the application of funds. Hence we prepare under the statement of sources of applications of funds. Then in the case of cash flow, we will try to identify or show inflow and outflow. That is cash inflow and cash outflow. We will arrange in that way. Like what are the cash inflows, what are the cash outflows. So as we earlier discussed, funds flow will be prepared covering for the long term and cash flow will be covering for the short term. Then coming to the finance, that is financial statement. Funds flow statement comes under financial statements, whereas cash flow statement comes under financial statements. So these are about the differences between funds flow statement, cash flow statement or funds flow analysis and cash flow analysis. Hope this video will help you for the preparation of differences between funds flow and cash flow. So all the very best and thank you.